Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Elite Ruthless Aggression Eric Bischoff. His first time in the line. Of course, it's the front of the packaging, as well as the side of the packaging. And here's the back of the packaging. It says Eric Bischoff's from Detroit, Michigan. He's 5'10", 195 pounds. He's a WWE Hall of Fame inductee. He's back and better than ever. The unthinkable happened when former WCW president Eric Bischoff became WWE Raw general manager. All right. And here is Eric. Oh, there it is. Eric Bischoff out of the packaging. Several accessories. You have this alternate head, microphone, interchangeable hands. All right, these are all the alternate hands or interchangeable hands for Eric Bischoff. This, of course, was this head scan is, of course, when Eric Bischoff dressed up as that creepy old guy doing the wedding. And of course, Eric Bischoff comes with a WWE microphone. Yeah. All right, here he is, Eric Bischoff out of the packaging. All right, here is Eric Bischoff. I've been waiting for an Eric Bischoff for the longest time. I'm glad I got it. I love the head scan. All right, everybody, here is Eric Bischoff fully posed and out of the packaging as the Raw general manager. All right, everyone, here is Eric Bischoff, the Raw General Manager, with members of Evolution, Batista, Ric Flair, Triple H, Randy Orton. All right, here is Eric Bischoff with the People's Champ, The Rock. All right, everybody, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of WWE Elite Ruthless Aggression Eric Bischoff. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Until next time, I'll see you all later, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.